We're out at the Chimney-Carter Lake Watershed Protection Project. This is phase 1. This ridge that we're on right now sits between Carter Lake and Chimney Hollow. The main goal is source water protection and also wildfire fuels mitigation.
Severe wildfire can create long-term water quality issues. After a fire, you can see increased erosion, sediment, and debris that might wash into reservoirs and streams. So by reducing wildfire risk now, we're helping to protect our water supplies, our infrastructure, and really the surrounding community while also improving overall forest health. This project is part of Northern Water's larger source water protection strategy. We're working with the Colorado State Forest Service and Loveland Fire Rescue Authority to implement forest health and wildfire mitigation treatments across about 200 acres of private land in the watersheds near Carter Lake and Chimney Hollow Reservoir.
We're sitting in an area that hasn't burned in recorded history, and it's just an area that's in desperate need of work. Overgrown ponderosa that's pretty suppressed, needs extra help from us to get back to its historic range of variability, as we call it.
So this work includes thinning dense ponderosa pine forests, removing ladder fuels that can carry fire into tree canopies, and reducing hazardous fuels that can increase wildfire intensity. It protects several things at once. It helps create healthier forests, it reduces wildfire risk for nearby homeowners, and it helps protect water supplies. This area sits directly above some very important infrastructure, including Carter Lake and Chimney Hollow Reservoir. These two reservoirs are really critical pieces of the region's water supply system. The Colorado State Forest Service, Loveland Fire Rescue Authority, and other partners have been working in this area for many years, and this project really helps build on previous projects and previous treatments by connecting those treatment areas to really just create a more resilient landscape.
And this is a great example of where work should be prioritized. When we do a lot of fire modeling and where our most priority acres, we're looking at a combination of slope, what's the forest structure, the aspect, what are the resources around it, and we kind of combine all those things and try to get a picture of where should we focus our efforts. And this is a great example of that. It checks all the boxes. In terms of downslope to Carter Lake, an area that's overgrown, hasn't seen fire, just a great example of being strategic about where you do your work and making the biggest impacts.
So phase 1 has been focused on implementing about 60 acres of treatments on private lands. Phase 2 is already funded. Planning is expected to begin later this summer, with implementation likely to occur next year. That phase will expand treatments across an additional 150 acres of private land. And then beyond that, we're hopeful that there might be future phases as funding becomes available and as landowners choose to participate. Across Colorado and throughout the West, we've seen multiple examples where previously treated areas have experienced lower wildfire intensity or acted as natural fire breaks during a fire event. This project is about being proactive, and it's really built on collaboration.
Lots of work that needs to be done across the state and across our forests in this nation, but collaboration is a key way to get that done. It's huge. It's a key piece to getting work done the way we need to, at the pace and scale that we need to.